You don't fail habits, your habits are designed to fail you. That's why you start strong, and then disappear after a few days. If your habits never stick, it's not your fault, you're just using a system that doesn't work. Here are mistakes you are making and how to fix them. 1. You're starting too big. You don't need 2 hours of study, you need 5 minutes. Because habits don't fail when they're small, they fail when they're unrealistic. 2. Starting feels too hard. If it takes effort to begin, your brain will avoid it, so make starting stupidly easy. Open the book. Sit down. Do one question. That's it. 3. You're relying on motivation. Motivation feels good, but it disappears fast. Some days you'll feel like doing it, most days you won't. And that's normal. 4. Your environment is working against you. Your phone is right next to you. Your distractions are everywhere. And you expect yourself to stay focused. Make bad habits harder. Make good habits easier. 5. You're trying to be perfect. You miss one day, and suddenly you quit everything. But consistency isn't about being perfect. It's about not stopping completely. The problem isn't you, it's your system. If your habits don't stick, don't try harder. Fix how you're doing it. Start small. Make it easy. Stay consistent. That's how habits actually stick.